The 2025 Chevrolet C4 stands out as an impressive offering in the automotive world, combining style, performance, and innovation. This model has garnered significant attention for its modern design and advanced features, making it a strong contender in its segment. The exterior of the 2025 Chevrolet C4 showcases sleek, aerodynamic lines and bold styling elements, giving it a contemporary yet aggressive stance. The updated front fascia, signature LED lighting, and stylish alloy wheels contribute to its dynamic and eye-catching appearance. Under the hood, the 2025 Chevrolet C4 is powered by a range of engine options designed to cater to diverse driving preferences. The lineup includes an efficient turbocharged 4-cylinder engine for those prioritizing fuel economy and a more powerful V6 option for performance enthusiasts. Paired with a smooth shifting automatic transmission, the C4 delivers a responsive and enjoyable driving experience. Its advanced suspension system and precise steering ensure confident handling, whether navigating city streets or cruising on the highway. The interior of the 2025 Chevrolet C4 emphasizes comfort and technology. High-quality materials and attention to detail create an upscale cabin environment, while the spacious layout ensures ample legroom and headroom for passengers. The seats are ergonomically designed for long journeys, and the driver-centric dashboard enhances convenience and functionality. The infotainment system is a highlight, featuring a large touchscreen interface with seamless smartphone integration, voice recognition, and access to various apps and features. Standard connectivity options include Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and wireless charging, ensuring occupants stay connected on the go. Safety is a top priority for Chevrolet, and the 2025 C4 is equipped with a comprehensive suite of advanced safety technologies. Features such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking contribute to a secure driving experience. Additionally, the robust build quality and strategically placed airbags enhance passenger protection in the event of a collision. One of the standout features of the 2025 Chevrolet C4 is its innovative driver assistance systems. These include a semi-autonomous driving mode that assists with lane keeping and adaptive speed adjustments, making long trips less fatiguing. The vehicle also incorporates advanced parking aids, including a 360-degree camera system and automatic parking assist, which simplify maneuvering in tight spaces. The 2025 Chevrolet C4 also caters to eco-conscious drivers with its hybrid variant. This version combines impressive fuel efficiency with reduced emissions, aligning with modern environmental standards. For those seeking even more excitement, the performance-oriented trim offers enhanced power output, sport-tuned suspension, and distinctive design elements to set it apart. Overall, the 2025 Chevrolet C4 strikes a perfect balance between practicality and performance, making it an ideal choice for a wide range of drivers. Whether you prioritize cutting-edge technology, stylish design, or spirited driving dynamics, the C4 delivers on all fronts. Chevrolet's commitment to quality and innovation shines through in every aspect of this model, ensuring it remains a top choice in its category. For more updates, in-depth reviews, and exclusive content on the 2025 Chevrolet C4 and other upcoming models, make sure to subscribe to the channel.